Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So imatch elandelayo i-Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iPolokwane City, iRise and Shine bafethu siyodlala e-Old Peter Mokaba Stadium. Remember, Orlando Pirates nje iqhamuka kuyi-win enhle kakhulu lapho khona bashaye ama-rivals ayo okuyi-Kaizer Chiefs ngo-3-0. So le game le bazofuna ukuyi-approacha spirits esikhulu. Bayofuna impela u-3 points because bafuna ukuyi-maintaina i-lead yayo at the top. Remember, Orlando Pirates number 1 right now, le phezulu kanye nama-Mamelodi Sundowns. Balingana nje ngama-point kodwa i-Orlando Pirates inama-goals amaningi. So kule game eboyidlala against iPolokwane City bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi kule game bazothola u-3 points and bayiwine futhi le game le ngama-goals amaningi. So lana-ke ngizoshaya mina i-lineup prediction yami, ischeme engasetha mayase ngithola ithuba abadlali bangakwazi banikeze i-Orlando Pirates u-3 points and banikeze i-Orlando Pirates ama-goal amaningi. Remember-ke last time sidlala e-Old Peter Mokaba Stadium last season sawina ngo-1-0, kwakunzima impela kuyigoli esalibona lekorwa uSibisi. So ngizoshaya nje i-lineup prediction, wena ungangitshela wena ukuthi ithini i-lineup prediction yakho, but ke nayi eyami ungayigxeki yami, ungitshele eyakho kuma comments. Remember i-game idlalwa kusasa ngo7:30. Uzathi uhlala le Polokwane, hamba uthenga amathikithi uyobukela i-Orlando Pirates, but ke I know for a fact le game le kuzobe kugcwele indlela eyisibanga. So ngizoqala nje epalini bafethu ugoalkeeper ngizomqalisa, niyamazi bafethu uSipho Chain udlale kahle kakhulu kwiSoweto derby lapho khona simbona ethole khona i-clean sheet against the-Kaizer Chiefs. It's very rare ukuthola ama-clean sheets against the-Kaizer Chiefs, but ke uSipho Chain into asayijwayele leyo bafethu ukuyithola i-clean sheets against the-Kaizer Chiefs. Umjida ukuphindile lokho akujwayele ukwenza, athole i-clean sheets against the-Kaizer Chiefs. So umjida ngamqalisa against iPolokwane City. I hope umjida akaconsider against iPolokwane City, a-maintain i-record lakhe lokuba nama-clean sheets khona ezokwazi ayi-reclaim i-position yakhe yokuba i-goalkeeper of the season njenga last season. Masukuthi ke kuma-center backs angifuni nje ukushintsha kakhulu, lo budlelwane le-partnership between uSiyema benosibisi kumele iqhubeke bafethu. Yes, I know it's still a new partnership, but ke kumele isebenze le partnership because siyafuna ukuthola i-Betway Premiership. Ukuze sithola i-Betway Premiership angimele siloke senza inguquko eziningi lapha emuva. The more senza inguquko, the more sizoluza ama-games. So we must keep the same backline, we must keep the same two center backs. Actually the two center backs, if you remember, uSibisi balomjida benosesane yabo, besaqala kwangasiyona i-partnership esasiyithanda sesiyijwayele, but ke the time goes on yabo, abajida bajwayelana bagcine sebedlala kahle lapho khona sesibona uSibisi esethola i-defender of the season. So okuwuSiyema benosibisi isaqala i-partnership, asibayekele abajida badlale kahle, baqhubeke bathembane, ba-create i-relationship. Ilapho ke sobona khona i-defense yangempela esolid. Abajida bebe solid against i-Kaizer Chiefs, badlale kahle kakhulu. uSibisi simbonile befethu eqhamuka as i-leader after leya disaster performance esayibona against the Stars, after he missed that penalty. As a leader you always score the first penalty, but ke I cannot judge a player based on a penalty. Each and every player misses a penalty, even Ronaldo, even Messi miss a penalty yabo. Aqale ngawo uSibisi and futhi ngegcine ngaye, abadlali abaqhubeke. Umjida ngiyamthemba lapha emuva ukuthi masukuthi ke ama-wing backs, kuma-wing backs engawaqalisa bafethu, ngingaqalisa bani laphana emuva ka-right wing back, ngingaqalisa uVan Rooyen. Remember ke ngithole indaba bafethu eyishoyo ukuthi uSibelebele umjida ususpended, njobe suspended kumjida wathola ama-yellow cards against the-Kaizer Chiefs. So ama-yellow cards akhe semaningi kakhulu ukuthi aqhubeke adlale, so ususpended for le game leso idlala against iPolokwane City. Luckily we have ama-right backs akhona on standby. We have Lebitso umjida usathanda kubuya vele ku-injury, naye uShandu ukhona, but ke my preferred right back engayiqalisa bafethu ubani uVan Rooyen. uVan Rooyen naye bafethu is on form, naye uSibelebele is on form, but ke akekho. So ngaqalisa bani? Ngaqalisa uVan Rooyen. Wena ungangitshela ungaqalisa uShandu noma uLebitso lo sathana kubuya ku-injury, angazi, ngingezwe ngawo. But ke lapha ka left ngingazwisa umjida uNdaba i-game time. Yes, uDeon Hot udlala kahle bafethu, naye he's on form, but ke remember we have a player called ubani uNdaba naye bafethu udlala kahle, ayikho into etheni embi asayenzile kuleya left back position. Each and every time umjida ithole opportunity uyayisebenzisa kahle. So I think it's high time we give him a game time now, athuke ukuyithola a game time against iPolokwane City. Remember ke we need 3 points kule game le. I'm not just giving him a game time, I'm not just giving him an opportunity on my lineup. I know umjida what he is capable of. I know ukuthi umjida usengasinikeza something kwela left wing back position I mean yabo. So iyona backline yami ke lebafethu engayiqalisa against iPulukwane City. I know many people will say, Vane, why are you changing things? Remember lapha ka right bafethu uSibelebele akekho and la ka left wing back we must rest umjida ubani uDion Hotto yabo. We need uDion Hotto maningi ama games esazowadlala bafethu abalekile, so a player like uDion Hotto ubaleke kakhulu kwi squad so Orlando Pirates. I'm not just resting him because umjida udlala kakhulu. Yes, I know we have equality and we must use our quality accordingly. And ke lapha ku number 6 ke bafethu kumele sireste kakhulu. Number 6 uyinjini ye team yabo. Number 6 uyinjini ye team. Injini yethi makumele siloke siyishintsha kakhulu, imoto yogcina ingahambi kahle, so injini kumele remain the same. But ke ngizwile kuthiwa ubani uThalente Mbatha umjida after le game yeKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa umjida yabo uye wahamba uyobona odokotela, usalolonga odokotela because umjida vele ubengakalulami ngokuphelele yabo, ubengakabi fully fit, but ke he played well against iKaizer Chiefs wagcina esesheshe iphuma kumjida. I hope uzo recover soon, but ke kule game I don't think umjida uzoqala and I don't think uzoba available kule game, which is fine, which is something I understand yabo. Abadlali ngabadlalisa ngaphambili kwaMakhehleni Makhawula ngaqalisa bani, ngaqalisa uKabelo Dlamini. I know many people will say Vane Sports Kabelo Dlamini kade wagcina kumbona umjida kade limele, why umqalise kule game? Remember guys, Kabelo Dlamini, people might say ubelimele, but we used to see uKabelo Dlamini ejima with the team yabo, besimbone ejima with the team, but when it comes to game time akayitholi game time, asazi asikaye siyithole explanation. Nabo uThalente Mbatha sibabona kunjalo yabo, besingayitholi explanation. So mina ngowami uKabelo Dlamini ngimbonile ejima with the team. I just hope ucoach uzomnikeza igame time. I know there are rumors surrounding yena uKabelo Dlamini ukuthi he might leave the team yabo, join our rivals, but ke I don't want to entertain those news kakhulu. Maybe you can say, maybe you can start a player like uNemtajela in that position, but ngokwami mina we need a player who knows how to move ibhola yabo. Sidinga abadlali abazomove ibhola against iPulukwane City. We have to look at our opponent. Pulukwane City is a team that likes to sit at the back, so if a team izodlala at the back kakhulu kumele sikwazi sithola abadlali abazoyicontrola igame yabo, because if we get abadlali abangeke bakwazi ukuyicontrol igame mase high kakhulu, sithola abadlali abazoyipolisa igame ku-circulate ibhola. Manje circulate ibhola sizokwazi ukuthi sithole ama-wingers ethu azokwazi ukuthi afake ama-cross kuleya defense leya etatazelayo, mase ke istriker sethu siyapunisha, mase ama-forwards ethu ayapunisha. Iyona into esiyidingayo. Remember we are playing at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium, i-pitch encane nje, incane nje leya pitch leya. Asibadinga abadlali abazoshaya ama-long ball kakhulu because kuzoba khona ama-draws angenasidingo. Once iPulukwane City yathola ama-draws, they will make sure that they waste time. So we need players who know how to circulate ibhola, lihlale khona la endlini, lihlale khona nje la egroundini yabo. So iKabelo Dlamini player is a type of player that you need in a game like this. Is a player that you need to start in a game like this. Maybe you can say Nemtajela, you can tell me in the comments when ungamdlalisa Nemtajela in a game like this. Maybe I can introduce Nemtajela in the second half just to control the game. Mase kuthi number 10 I will start with Mfokeng, same Mfokeng I started against Kaizer Chiefs, number 10. Mase kuthi ma wingers bafethu ngaqalisa bani, ngaqalisa uSepang Moreme as right winger, ngaqalisa uSunwa Phulisa as left winger. Keep the same intensity bafethu, keep the same composure, keep the same lineup when we are going forward. Ashintshi kalutho, ashintshi kaningi, ashintshi ngalutho. Abajita bayazi mandate, siyawadinga amagoli amaningi, siyawudinga u3 points. Masukuthi ke lapha ku striking position mahopa bafethu vume umjida uzokwazi ukuthi draw out le defense ezobihleli kakhulu emuva, mase siyakwazi sithola ama opportunities ama-wingers ethu abulale ugoalkeeper yabo. So iyona ke bafethu i-lineup prediction mina engayishaya. Maybe ke lapha ku number 8 bengamfaka uNemtajela if yabo, maybe uNemtajela, maybe I can put uNemtajela in that position if yabo akaqali uDlamini. But this is my lineup prediction against iPulukwane City. You can tell me your lineup prediction ungayigxeke yami, but ungitshele eyakho ikanjani i lineup prediction.